Oh, honey.
Hello.
Who's the best husband in the whole wide world?
What have you done?
Who could have never asked for a better husband?
What have you
I
done?
assume you heard about the community garage sale in Firestone?
So, Mom and Ellie and I went to the thrift store, my love.
I never get this much loving, so something's wrong.
Maybe she thought.
And Mom's still at the thrift store because I had to come home and get the van because it wouldn't fit in the car.
We are moving, you know.
Yeah, what the heck? We're moving. What?
I love you.
So, if what didn't fit in the car is a chest of gold bars, that's probably fine.
So now I have to take the van back to the thrift store and get Mom.
What is it? What did you get?
I'll surprise you when we get home.
I have to love her.
Michael's gonna kill me again. Okay, so we went to the thrift store and now we found chairs. $8 and $5. Right here. See it? So the problem is we don't have room in the moving van, but we don't have any place to really buy stuff where we're going either. So I think I'm going to take the $25 risk for really nice chairs. I mean, these are cute. You can't really see them, but they're cute. Here. $8.50 for those ones right there. And right here, $5 for this one. It's a good deal, isn't it?
It's a good deal.
We're celebrating Mom's life, so it's a good deal, right?
Right.
Okay, so we'll tell you right now. We had the ambulance at our house this morning.
We're going to tell them now or later.
So Mom started choking on one of her pills. Couldn't breathe.
Pretty rough. Pretty rough.
So we had to call 911. The ambulance came. She finally, of course, as soon as I got on the phone with 911, it shifted and she was able to start breathing barely. I mean,
Yeah.
but here, Buster was waiting you were on his way.
Yeah, to greet me when I got there.
Buster and Grandpa were waiting with their Long John Silvers.
The boys decided, now this is a frugal tip. We were trying to figure out how much, I was thinking, how much is this ambulance or the 911 call going to cost? And what BJ said was, well, man, yeah, you maybe should have waited on it. It was kind of expensive. But then we thought, he said, no, it'd be more expensive to have a funeral. So it was cheaper in the long run to call 911. So they thought that was a good idea. We called 911.
So that's our frugal tip for the day. Call 911 instead of dying.
Yeah.
All right, well, Mike's going to kill me. I have more stuff to add to the moving van, but I think it's worth it. I already have a table that I love, and I'm just going to paint it black. And I think this is going to work, so I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, my goodness. Look what I just found. I'm moving. I can't be buying stuff. But look at this. It's like an old trash can. Does it say what year? Let's see. The Witt Company. Anybody tell me, did I get a good deal or not? Let's see. Is this half price? No, but still for $5 I'm getting it.
We're moving.
I know. I'm moving, but gotta love me anyway.
Is that a requirement?
Is there a medication?
Yeah, is there medication?
Okay, look at this one, guys. Oh my goodness, and it even works. Look it. Do I buy it?
Kitchen.
$3. Right there. $3. But see, I don't know if my new kitchen's going to be red or not. Red really wouldn't go very well. But the studio kitchen might have red.
I was going to say, you're going to do the studio kitchen. You have to have everything matching on it.
Yeah, but that's a tiny trash can for the studio.
Oh, that's true. And the way you throw things while you're talking.
That's a lot, isn't it?
Big trash can.
Decisions. I don't know.
Okay, you need to pick between the two of these. Let's do it that way.
Okay, I'm getting this one. Maybe I should just get both.
You
That's a
could
cute
pack them
trash
with
can.
stuff and use it in place of a box.
It's true. I could use it as a box.
I'm not helping
And it would
Emily.
only be about, it would be about the same price as a box.
That's true. But we said not to buy boxes.
Wow. A frugal person's hard decision here. Oh, this is real bad. We are moving. Not sure how we're going to fit it all in the moving van, and I have to go home and get the van because I don't have enough room in my car to get the stuff I just bought at the thrift store. Oops. Mike's going to kill me.
What have you done?
Who's got the best husband in the whole wide
What
world?
have you done?
Who's got the best husband in the whole wide world?
There's gonna have to be
Oops.
There's gonna have to be some kind of something for this.
Who has the best husband in the whole wide world?
Well, of course you do.
Of course I do.
Of course
Okay.
you do.
Are you ready to see what I just bought?
No.
Okay. Okay. So I got the van open. Are you ready?
Nope.
Okay.
Keeping in mind, people, that we were very short on moving space already.
Okay. So
Whoa. They're chairs.
So I got kitchen chairs.
They do look nice. Actually, they look like the kind of chairs you would find in one of those Hawaiian places
huts.
with the little colored lights and all that when you're sitting out there having
Well,
lunch.
I'm going for the colonial look.
Colonial.
Yes, they're kind of a colonial look.
I see. Okay.
So you're not mad at me?
No,
Okay.
but I better get a lot of kisses for this.
Okay. Oh, I love you, dear.
Yeah, I love you too, honey.
All right,
Despite
guys.
yourself.
Despite myself. So I got kitchen chairs. And then over here, I got curtains that I'm going to make into outdoor seat covers for the new deck.
I see.
And then Ellie got her some stuff for her new apartment right there. And then I bought it. I bought the red trash can.
Trash cans.
And then I got me some soap stuff. So I got a half a van load worth of stuff and we're moving.
So we're getting rid of things, but we're acquiring things.
Oh! Do you want to know what's so hilarious?
What?
When we were there, we saw all the stuff we got rid of for sale.
You didn't buy any of it back, did you?
My picture was $75 there, though.
I'm telling you.
I should have sold it.
You should have.
All right, guys, livingonadime.com. He still loves me.
Yes, I do.
Bye.